Collaboration with APAHA, is organizing 3 days international conference on Garbha Sanskar. This is first international conference which is happening in India. There are many participants and dignitaries which are coming across the world from 7 different countries. There are some people who will be coming from the doctoral background as well as psychologists, psychiatrists. Here today in studio, we are having two dignitaries with us, Laura Uplinger and Elena Luzis. Elena is a psychiatrist and Jungian analyst, and she is going to talk with us about her work in Brazil. And Laura is going to help us with the language and some kind of translation. So here we are going to talk about her work. So Elena, welcome to Manashakti Studio. And I would like to know about your work in prenatal psychology. And basically, this Jungian analyst, we are more curious about it. What exactly it is and how it is looking towards the prenatal psychology.
Bom, durante muitos anos eu vi que os problemas das pessoas começavam aí.
Well, for many years, I saw that the problem of human beings would start right there.
E durante muito tempo, trabalhei com psicologia da paz.
And for a long time, I was working with the psychology of peace.
Até que um dia, dos estudos de pré-natal,
Till one day, I realized, studying prenatal life,
eu percebi que os casais que tinham filhos depois de conceberem com consciência,
I realized that couples that would have children that were conceived in consciousness,
eles eram seres diferentes.
These beings conceived that way were different.
Nos mesmos casais, muitas vezes disfuncionais.
Even if the couple itself was not so healthy, they had some dysfunctions, but their babies, their children, were.
E aí comecei a desenvolver a ideia de que paz era possível com outro modo de nascer.
So I started conceiving the idea that peace can be possible if we change the way we consider pregnancy and birth.
Nas minhas pesquisas, que pegavam a área de ciência, a história da arte e as tradições.
In my research, I took science, art history, and the history of traditions.
E todas diziam a mesma coisa.
All of them would mention the very same thing.
Era possível provar.
I was able to prove.
Então, eu criei uma disciplina.
So I created a discipline
para ir para o segundo grau e o segundo e o terceiro grau.
So I devised a discipline that can be taught in high schools and colleges.
Porque eu penso que há muita coisa que é ensinada nesses períodos.
Because I know that a lot of the young people get taught.
Que não muda a vida das pessoas.
That doesn't change anyone's life.
E é aquilo que vai acontecer à maioria da humanidade. Ninguém sabe. Ninguém aprende.
What for sure is going to happen to most of humanity, to have children, nobody learns a thing about it.
Então, comecei a fazer um trabalho fazendo congressos online.
So I started a work organizing conferences online.
DVD para as pessoas multiplicarem.
DVDs for the people to multiply them.
E consegui que chegassem em todos os estados do Brasil.
And it was possible to reach every single part of Brazil.
E agora existem centros que ensinam a preparar casais, até que algumas escolas já estão começando a pensar.
So somehow throughout Brazil there are many centers who are already teaching that to the couples, and some schools are thinking of including this in their curriculum.
E estou com colocada a tese, que é uma tese de 1.500 páginas, sobre tudo isso.
My doctoral thesis of 1,500 pages, I managed to
Que foi defendida em 2007.
I defended that thesis in 2007.
E desde 2008 está no governo, no Ministério da Educação,
Since 2008, it's in the hands of the government, the Ministry of Education.
na tentativa de tornar obrigatória essa matéria.
It's an attempt to make this discipline mandatory in their curriculums.
Porque existem algumas experiências já em alguns poucos países, um pouquinho no Japão, na Hungria,
If there are some countries like Japan or Hungary and they have experience already,
que são pequenas, informações de 4 entrevistas, coisas bem simples,
some simple things, sometimes 4 interviews,
mas que foram capazes de diminuir a criminalidade
but just that was able to diminish the level of criminality in those countries,
as questões de saúde, de má formação congênita,
and the health of a baby in the womb, the malformations diminished so much.
e existem 7 cartas desde 1978 assinadas, 3 pela ONU,
Desde 78?
78,
Since 78, there are 7 charts that were signed by the UN
e 4 pela OMS.
and 4 by the WHO.
Então, alguns países fizeram um pouquinho, mas tiveram muito resultado.
Some countries only did a tiny bit to address prenatal life, but the results that came forth were amazing.
E esses países, inclusive o Brasil,
And these countries, including Brazil,
assinaram as 7 cartas,
they signed those 7 charts
que foram criadas porque existia uma grande quantidade de artigos científicos.
created those charts on the basis of very serious scientific papers.
E eles se comprometeram a criar o ensino de maternidade e paternidade consciente.
And they promise to bring to the peoples of the world maternity and paternity conscious ones.
Mas a maioria da população do mundo
But
nem
most-
sabe disso.
But most of the people on earth don't know about this particular point of parenting.
Nós temos aí uma população que criaria a paz e a saúde.
It's in the hands of the world, the peoples of the world, to create world peace and world health.
Então, a ideia é espalhar multiplicadores.
So the idea is to spread multiplicators, proponents.
Eu tenho um site que é www.cienciadoiniciodavida.org.
She has a website that is www.scienceofthebeginningoflife.com.
Onde tem muitos vídeos, alguns com legenda em inglês.
Some of those, in that website, you can see many interviews, many videos. Some of them have their subtitles in English.
E a tese inteira pronta.
And
Uma
my whole
bibliografia.
thesis, with a bibliography, a conclusion with 40 pages in English, it's there, available to all to take and multiply.
That will be useful.
A ideia é criar a condição, enquanto os países, apesar de assinarem, não estão cumprindo,
The idea is to create conditions. In the meantime, while countries have signed the chart but are not doing anything about it,
é criar a possibilidade de os cidadãos virem a fazer, saber, criar os seus centros de multiplicação do conhecimento.
to offer the possibility for every citizen on earth to have their own centers for the dissemination of this kind of information that you have in Manashakti.
E a ideia é que você, no futuro, poderá, por exemplo, as mães poderão curar seus filhos.
So, for instance, in the future, the idea is for mothers to be able to heal their children.
E é muito importante entender que quando uma criança faz uma doença,
For instance, we have to understand that when a child is ill,
é uma metáfora
it's a kind of a metaphor
de algo ou que está acontecendo no casal
of something that is happening either with a couple
ou que aconteceu se é uma menina, com a mãe na mesma idade.
or, if it's a girl, for instance, something that happened with the mother at the same age. It's a possibility for healing.
E então, a partir daí, a mãe pode agradecer ao filho
From then on, the mother can thank the child.
durante a fase REM do sono,
When this child is sleeping with the rapid eye movement phase, that we know the dreaming phase of the sleep, so the mommy approaches the baby,
e explicar o que aconteceu,
she explains to the child what happened,
e muitas vezes é possível a criança estar curada
and
no dia seguinte.
very often the child heals, but the next day. De quanta idade?
Todas as idades.
All ages, from days to
Olha,
years old.
já vi até com mais de 21 anos.
Even later than 21 years old, this child, this son or this daughter, can be healed.
E eu costumo dizer que mãe não tem prazo de validade.
There is no expiration date for moms, for mothers. What about prenatally?
E a grande questão será se nós prepararmos os pais, né, que não tiveram nenhuma preparação, os seus pais. Então,
When we prepare parents that had no preparation before, or neither their parents had,
então, situações que aconteceram podem ser repetidas.
sometimes situations that occur, they go on to be repeated later on in the next generation.
Então, além da informação, eu costumo orientar que tentem fazer renascimento.
So, having this information, I have a tendency to orientate the couples to undergo some rebirthing process, a psychotherapeutical process called rebirthing.
E como nós repetimos o DNA, como vocês bem desenharam,
You
ele
have this design in the logo of the conference of a DNA. We have a tendency to repeat the information contained in our DNA.
porque ele só tem 5% de molécula.
It's only 5% of molecules.
O resto tudo é um código de linguagem escrito.
All the rest of that DNA that was supposed to be junk DNA, remember, it's not junk. It has the language there.
E aí você pode mudar a história.
And it's almost like a written text that can be changed, modified.
O que modificaria doenças, o
This
que
would-
modificaria infelicidade.
This would change the course of diseases and the course of unhappiness.
That's nice.
Então, esse é o desenho do ser humano.
This
Só
is
que
how
as
human
pessoas
beings
não sabem que elas têm essa possibilidade.
human beings don't know that they have these possibilities, but this is the way they were designed.
Eleanor has very much expletive work in Brazil and at various levels, I guess, like she was mentioning about UN at a WHO level and even at a ministry level in Brazil also. So I just wanted to know what inspired you to be here in Manashakti for this conference.
E porque o trabalho do Kelkar foi uma coisa muito importante para o meu trabalho.
The work of Mr. Kelkar was very important to my work.
Porque as pessoas centravam muito só na gestação e no parto.
Because most of the people were centering their work exclusively, almost exclusively, in pregnancy and birth, labor and birth.
E meu entendimento era que é necessário preparar pai e mãe.
But my understanding was that we need to prepare this man and this woman, this mother and father.
Porque dentro da história do DNA,
Because in this history of the DNA,
você tem uma situação de muitas gerações com problemas de gestação.
There are many generations that are expressed there that had problems with their own pregnancy or prenatal life,
Ou parto,
or
ou
birth,
aleitamento materno.
or breastfeeding.
Então, como isso é muito antigo, não aleitar,
This is very ancient, not to breastfeed.
muitas vezes uma mulher para de aleitar com 3 meses,
Very often a woman stops breastfeeding at 3 months
quando a mãe dela, a avó dela, a bisavó dela viveram a mesma situação. Foi parado com 3 meses.
when their own mother and grandmother and the mother of the grandmother went through the same situation. They stopped or had a wet nurse, or
Estava escrito no DNA.
this was almost like written in the DNA, like history repeating itself.
Mas nós podemos mudar o DNA,
But we can
escrevendo cartas, queimando cartas.
change this DNA. We can even write letters explaining the situation, burning that letter, and making it so that the DNA listens.
I guess you are more relating with that logo and you must be finding it very apt because your work is related
Exactly.
to that DNA structure only. So, like, I just wanted to know how you're finding being here. Like, have you been here in India before? Or this is the first time you're visiting India and how you're finding?
Primeira vez que estou aqui na Índia.
It's my first time here in India,
E fico muito feliz de
And I'm-
estar nesse centro.
I'm very happy to be here in this center.
Porque, do meu entendimento,
It is my understanding
é a ideia que tem que ir para o mundo.
what this center here is doing needs to go out into the world.
E é uma atmosfera que se percebe em cada detalhe
And
muito amor.
and we can notice in every detail of what you have created here, we can notice much love.
E isso é para ser o mundo.
And this is for the whole world.
O planeta foi criado para as pessoas crescerem e usufruírem da capacidade de criar.
The planet was created for the people to grow and develop so that they can be also creators
E não lutar.
and not fighters,
E é muito importante,
like warriors.
é muito importante entender os 3 primeiros anos de vida
It's very important that we understand that the 3 first years of life,
só nesse terceiro ano
just in that third year,
que a criança diz de si mesma eu.
it's only when she's 3 or he's 3 that the child will say, I.
É quando começa uma memória contínua.
This is when the continuous memory starts.
Então, durante todo esse tempo, ela sentiu tudo,
So, all this time, from conception to 3, the child was feeling everything.
só que se transformou numa crença.
But everything the child was feeling got transformed into a belief.
E são aquelas pequenas maldições que a gente tem na vida
Those are the small curses we have in life,
e que não mudou.
and they don't change.
Mas é possível mudar
Não,
com o renascimento,
It
por
is
exemplo.
possible to change these curses with the help of rebirthing.
Mas melhor ainda é que não precise.
But the best would be not to need any rebirthing and any curse.
E a história da humanidade nunca olhou para a criança
In the history of humanity, we never had a civilization who looked at a child.
e essa é a diferença. E eu vejo, né, e a neurociência mostra,
And this is the difference because now neuroscience is showing
nós temos mais ou menos 35% do cérebro funcionante.
about 35% of our brain is activated, right?
Desde 2010 começaram a nascer crianças com 50%.
But since 2010, babies are being born with their brains already activated at a level of 50%.
E várias capacidades paranormais.
And many paranormal capacities.
Oh, That's a very huge subject, I guess, like the parental activities and all that. When she was mentioning about rebirthing and all, even Swami Vidyananda we do have like 3 days study course on life after death. So that's very interesting and very useful, I think, study course which you might also like to have a look at. That subject is totally different. It's related to again the prenatal this thing also. So I think it's a brilliant work which you are doing, and it was very pleasure for us to know about your work. And even in our studio, like when you are presenting, and Laura helped us with all the translation. Thank you, Laura, so much for translating all her words. And from Manashakti, we give you best wishes for your work, for strengthening at all the levels. So all the best and many best wishes from Manashakti. Thank you.
Muito obrigada.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.